Hi everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to merge PDF files. Enjoy! For today I will use small PDF.com website. I will give you a link under the video in the description. I've prepared here two PDF documents. Easily by method drag and drop, select both of them, insert in the area on a website. Now hit merge files and choose options. You can choose your selected pages, what will be primary or first or second, or you can add still another documents or pages. And now easily merge PDF. You can see that our pages are connected without any watermarks. Now you can hit download and we can see that our final document is in a PDF connected together. It was all for today. Thanks a lot that you watched this video. If you like this video, give me a like or comment this video or subscribe my channel, and we will see next time. Ciao.